With the BJP-led NDA completing its first 100 days in office at centre, integral security still remains a matter of great concern for Prime Minister Narendra Modi and his Council of Ministers. PM Modi and his Home Minister Rajnath Singh have so far failed to match up to the hyperbole created by the BJP during the campaign trail before Lok Sabha elections in May this year. When Modi and the BJP rode to power with a thumping majority, expectations were high on internal security. However, communal violence in Uttar Pradesh, from where the BJP had won 71 out of 80 Lok Sabha seats, has so far provided a rare chance to opposition parties to corner the ruling BJP. Though it was the duty of Akhilesh Yadav-led SP government in Uttar Pradesh to maintain law and order in the country's most populous state, but the UP government often claimed that all the communal violence were instigated by the Saffron Party to polarize voters, which will help them grab power in the state in 2017. Even a UP government committee under Cabinet Minister Shivpal Singh indicated towards the involvement of BJP MP Raghav Lakhanpal Sharma in Saharanpur riots. Apart from Saharanpur, violence in Kant area of Muzaffarnagar has also hinted the involvement of Saffron Party.
देखिए वहाँ पूरी रिपोर्ट हमारी कमेटी ने सौंप दी है मुख्यमंत्री को और जो भी दोषी थे उनके प्रति कार्रवाई होगी.
In early June, days after taking over, the NDA government decided to end the contract of Raghu Raman, a security expert who was brought from outside to head the National Intelligence Grid. Months later, a search committee is yet to be set up. The brainchild of former Home Minister P. Chidambaram seeks to strengthen counter-terrorism plans through a centralized data bank. Cross-border terrorism and continuous ceasefire violations by Pakistan also threatened internal security. Though Modi had appointed Ajit Doval, a former diplomat and a specialist on internal security matters, as the National Security Advisor, but the government has failed to tackle the ceasefire violations by Pakistan. Modi government has also cancelled the foreign security level talks with Pakistan in wake of an invitation by Pakistan envoy to the Jammu and Kashmir separatist leaders for talk, providing an opportunity to separatist leaders and strengthen their base in Kashmir Valley. The Modi government is yet to chalk out any concrete plan to tackle the Naxal movement across the country. Besides, the people of Assam and Nagaland were also looking towards the union government to solve the border problems between both the hilly states. Recent violence protests at Assam-Nagaland border had killed more than 20 people in Golaghat alone.
अब चाइना का तो हमें इतना नहीं है क्योंकि वो ज़्यादा हमें तंग नहीं करते. पाकिस्तान का अब थोड़ा सा ये एक परेशानी का एक बन गया है. माली नुकसान, जानी नुकसान, माल मवेशियों को जो अब नुकसान हो रहा है, इससे हमें जैसे मैंने कहा ये एक परेशानी का एक मुद्दा बन गया हमारे लिए. मैं तो यही चाहूँगा कि हमारे जो वज़ीर आज़म साहब हैं वो पाकिस्तान की हुकूमत से कहें कि ये ठीक बात नहीं है क्योंकि उन्होंने नवाज़ शरीफ के साथ एक अच्छा रिश्ता बनाया हुआ है. ट्विटर पे वो एक दूसरे से जो हैं ट्वीट के ज़रिए कम्युनिकेट करते हैं. तो मुझे लगता है ये पैगाम भी उनको जाना चाहिए कि हम लोग दोस्ती चाहते हैं, अच्छे रिश्ते चाहते हैं और ये जो सीज़ फायर वायलेशन के ज़रिए नुकसान हो रहा है ये अच्छी बात नहीं है. यही हम चाहेंगे.
Powered by NNIS.